Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel a new Cash App card that you have created. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application. We need to open up the application, so if you do not already have it, what you want to do is download it for your mobile phone. Go to your app store and search for Cash App in the search bar, and after searching for it, find the application and download it to your phone, and now we can get started. So once you open it up, it's going to look like this. You want to log into your account where you want to cancel the card for, so go ahead and log in, and after doing so, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can take a look at your cash balance, your savings, and all the other settings that you have, and now we can get started. So basically guys, what you want to do to be able to cancel your card is click this option right here at the bottom of the page. At the bottom of the page you have the sections tab, where the section next to the home page is the card icon. So you want to click on the card icon, and once you click on it, it's going to open up this new page right here where we can take a look at our cash card that we are using. So we have our cash card that we want to cancel, and basically guys, all we have to do to be able to cancel the card is just long hold on the card. So long tap on your card, that's going to open up this new settings menu with all the settings options that you can access, and one of the options right here at the bottom of the page is going to be called report card lost or stolen. So what you want to do guys is report your card as lost or stolen. This is going to enable Cash App to deactivate your card, and once deactivating guys, this is going to successfully cancel your card, and you can go ahead and create a new one or do whatever you want, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.